Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and I will be showcasing video and photo samples taken with this phone. First, comparing to the previous S22 Ultra packaging, they're pretty much similar in size and design. They kept their black satin look and the glossy texture to it, except the branding has changed to a white label. So inside the box, of course, your S23 Ultra unit. It has 4 rear camera and 1 front facing camera. Inside the box, it came with quick user guide. It also comes with 1 USB-C charging cable and 1 SIM card ejection pin. Comparing to the S22 Ultra, they're pretty much similar in design, except the screen on S23 Ultra has reduced curve. The camera at the back is a bit larger, but it's not really noticeable with a quick glance. S23 Ultra is a bit heavier with a weight of 233 grams while S22 Ultra weighs 229 grams. While I transfer all the data from my old phone, let me show you the new case I purchased on Amazon. It's the same brand as my S22 Ultra's case, and one feature I particularly like is the slide camera cover, which protects it from collisions and scratches. The case is also wireless charging friendly, so there's no need to remove the cover during charging. Made from environmentally friendly polycarbonate, the material is durable, fingerprint resistant, and sweat proof. Let's go ahead and test the camera and show you some samples. For my first impression, this phone is a slight upgrade from my S22 Ultra. The difference is not that much physically, but what makes a difference is the 200 megapixel upgrade. I don't really see myself using this resolution that much, but if you really want to capture lots of details for your photo, this is a good feature for you. Battery is also a big improvement from S22 Ultra, and Samsung estimates 27 hours of playback, which is 30% longer than the S22 Ultra. I still need to test some night video and photos, so if you want to get notified when I upload a new video, please subscribe and hit that bell icon. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one.